This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about juicers, specifically this lime squeezer. It's a 2-ounce clear plastic press art lemon and lime squeezer. It's 4 3/4 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and it's approximately 2 inches tall. It makes really easy work of juicing lemon and lime wedges, or really any other citrus that you need a little juice from. It's got a cute little interlocking design. You can see you've got that little handle that you can use to just push down on little wedges, and that'll squeeze that juice out into the bottom. And then you can see it's got a nice little pour spout, so it becomes just like a little gravy boat where you can pour it out. It's got this adorable little bird-shaped and inspired design, which means it's attractive as well. So not only can you use it in your kitchen, but it's also going to be adorable out on the table anytime you need a little bit of citrus juice. So it's made of a strong, clear plastic as well, meaning it's adorable enough to put out on your table alongside lemon wedges if you're serving things like fish or seafood, or just going to have some really nice iced tea, and your guests might want to be able to squeeze a little juice onto those items. Because of its design, it allows you to keep your hands clean as well while you squeeze, which is fantastic. So it's the perfect petite utensil to keep on hand for juicing citrus in the kitchen, whether that's in a restaurant or your own home.